Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can activate the board view for your lists on Microsoft Lists in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to your account on Microsoft Lists, navigate to My Lists here and choose the list you'd like to edit. Let us go with this one here. So once you have been redirected to your list, what you want to do is click into Add View here on the right hand side. So as you can see, that's the list view, but you can activate other views like Calendar, Board, and so on and so forth. So let me go with board, give it a name, example board view, and then you may also choose a column here, for example, create a new column to organize by. And then what you want to do, guys, is decide whether the new board view is going to be visible publicly or not. You can enable or disable this option, click into create here to create the view. And as you can see now, the list view has been transformed basically to a board view here. As you can see, that's like in those Kanban views, for example, in project management applications, where you see these columns, then these cards inside the board. So you can create a list like that using these boards and cards as well. And that's basically it, guys. You can navigate through that board view, for example, by clicking into the drop-down menu here. You can edit the current view, rename it, delete it to return to the list view, and add more fields and columns. Also, you can also add a column by clicking into this button here. And that's basically it, guys. So thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.